Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you'll be good. In today's video, I'm going to show you a style that you can make if you have a short hair. It is a style that is suited for short hair, with highlighted side lines and airy back lines, the side lines from concave line. And it is for those who have had short hair for a long time. Since today's cut is concave, the cut will go from the back to the sides. Shave the bottom hair with a clipper since it is too long. Shave with a clipper. Cut the hair so it gets shorter towards the face. Cut the entire section. Try to make a concave line.
Lay down scissors and cut into a concave shape.
Proceed in the same order and manner. Let's move on to the second line. We are going to make a puffy volume at 45 degrees. Cut the second guideline. At an angle of 45 degrees to add a sense of volume. Divide into 3 sections. Finally, let's go to the top part. We are going to use a technique called over direction for the top, as the line gets lighter as it gets to the front. Pull the top hair toward the back off base and cut it with the over direction technique, so that the front hair looks longer and lighter. See the cut we did with the over direction technique. Now let's texture the parts we need to make the concave look better. This is the style that can be suggested to those who are tired of short hair, as it reduces the volume because the sides and the back get layers and the bangs fall long. If you want to know about more haircut, then let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.